Hi, Vincenzo from Online Taxman. The question is, what expenses can I deduct under the Foreign Housing Exclusion? The answer is that if you have any expenses related to rent, any utility bills, right, like electricity and water, any type of repairs, as well as parking fees and furniture rental fees, these could all be added up to qualify for the Foreign Housing Exclusion. Now, the Foreign Housing Exclusion is roughly 15% of the Foreign Earned Income Exclusion amount. Now, remember, the Foreign Earned Income Exclusion amount increases every year. This year, it's approximately $105,000, but it will increase. And so, if your housing expenses are above roughly $16,000, then you'd qualify for the Foreign Housing Exclusion, and this would be added to your Foreign Earned Income Exclusion. So, to give you an example, let's say you pay roughly $30,000 in housing costs a year. So again, the floor is $16,000, so anything over $16,000 up to $30,000 would be excluded. So in your case, if you're spending $30,000 a year, then 16 minus 30 would mean that you would be able to add $14,000 of housing expenses to the already $105,000 Foreign Earned Income Exclusion to make a total of roughly $119,000 of excluded income. Let us know if you have any questions at Online Taxman. Thank you.